Greetings everybody, this is Domingo with you today. Hope you're doing fantastic. Now, if you're like me, you create your own content. Now, I'm in the YouTube Studio beta here, and I've made tutorials on how to use these functions. It's the copyright button. So you click on copyright here, and then it shows if anybody has stolen your content or used the content without your permission. I actually have two people here that have used my content without my permission. And it is 100% of the video. They stole my video. So what you do is you go to the right side here and go to request video removal, and then you do the same thing, and then you go to request video removal. So from here you enter the information described here that will allow the whole process to start. Now you have to enter all your personal information here, like your name, phone number, address, that sort of thing. So this is what you need to do. You need to enter all those fields in. So I'm going to do that right now. So I'm going to pause the video as I do this. Okay, so once you have entered the information, it allows you to review the videos requested for removal. So these are the two that I'm going to request to be taken down because it is my content, not theirs. We are going to go down to where it says removal options and agreements. It'll say scheduled, send a 7-day notice. Once a request is validated, gives the uploader 7 days to remove the video and avoid a copyright strike. If they don't, the video is removed after 7 days. So this process here is called request removal now. Don't do this unless you are completely sure that this content is yours, because these removals lead to a strike. YouTube processes the video removal after the validating the request. So what I do is I do the 7-day thing, and then you check the legal agreements here, and then you enter your signature, and then once you're done, you click submit. So then the request has been submitted, and we check your email for updates. So that's how you submit copyright notices to other channels, because they now match it so that if any of your videos are used, it goes into the copyright tool. So it's really helpful if you feel that somebody stole your content. So always go to the copyright window here to check if anybody stole any of your content. If you have any questions, leave the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. We'll see you next time.